In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and import contacts to a Mailchimp audience from a file. We'll walk through the full process together, from logging into your account, to uploading your file, to confirming that all of your new contacts have been added successfully. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause the video whenever you need a moment. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. In that panel, find and click on Audience. This will take you to a page where you can see your existing contacts. At the top right of this audience page, look for the button that says Add Contacts. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options in the drop-down, select Import Contacts. The page will refresh and ask how you'd like to add contacts. Choose Upload a File, then click. Continue to move to the next step. Now you're on the Upload a File page. Click the button that says Select a File. This will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to the file that contains the contacts you want to import. This is usually a CSV or similar file that you've prepared in advance. Click on the file, then press Enter or click Open. Wait for the file to finish uploading. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your list. Once the upload is complete, click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to choose which audience you want these contacts to be added to. Use the drop-down to select the correct audience, then click Continue again. You'll now have the option to add tags to your new contacts. Tags can help you organize your list later, so you can search, group, or segment subscribers more easily. You can type to search for an existing tag, create a new one, or choose from popular tags suggested by Mailchimp. After you've set your tags, click Continue. Mailchimp will then show you the columns from your file and ask you to match them to fields in Mailchimp, such as email address, first name, or last name. Carefully go through each column and make sure it's matched to the correct field, so your data is imported accurately. When you're done mapping these fields, click Continue. Next, you'll choose the email marketing status for these contacts, such as subscribed, unsubscribed, or non-subscribed, depending on your use case and permissions. Once you've selected the appropriate status, click Finalize Import. Mailchimp will display a summary of your import. Take a moment to review the details, including how many contacts will be added and any warnings or notes. If everything looks correct, click Complete Import. After that, wait for the page to load. When the process finishes, you should see a success message confirming that your new contacts have been added to your audience. At this point, your import is complete and your contacts are ready to use in your Mailchimp campaigns.